So there's this concept that the body keeps the score, or a tally of all the bad habits we've been doing over the years. And it can show up in many ways. Sometimes it's low back pain from just standing, shoulder pain from anxiety, maybe it's shying away from true connection, or maybe it's an aggressive tendency and we don't feel that strong. However, our body is beautifully designed to move, breathe, and feel at ease. We are incredibly adaptive. All we need to do is remain open, curious, and non-critical. And this is what we do with the yoga root. There are no rigid rules, no egos, no judgments, only curiosity, a bit of playfulness, and proven methods for an embodied sense of peace.